Okay, I'm on my last lap. And yes, I'm walking because I don't like to stop. But I got a video for you all today. Holy. My GoPro, the one I'm filming with right now, my GoPro Black 9, almost got stolen. Okay, let me paint the picture for you. Now, sometimes, as you know, I bring the GoPro Black with me to do vlog entries. And today's video was going to be something about anxiety. So I'm walking and I leave the GoPro in the car and I lock the doors, okay? Well, I made a video clip before I started walking. Let's stop for a second. I made a video clip before I started walking. We'll get into that now. And then I put the GoPro in my front seat, locked the door, and I commenced to walk, to do my walk for that day. I've been doing this now for on and off for 8 years. I leave my camera in the car until it's needed. But I always lock the door. Never had a problem before. Let me rephrase that. I've been videotaping on and off as I walk for over 8 years. Okay, so I'm in this spot right here, okay? As you see next to me, it is the baseball diamond. And I'm walking and I'm normal. I got the tunes in me ears. I am jamming. I get to this spot right here and I turn over like this. Now I can see my car in the distance. I can't see it well, but I can see it. And there is somebody. Right now you got 2 people over there right now with dogs. Okay, they're okay, although I am still watching them because of what happened. He's okay because he's been down here many times. But anyway, somebody was trying to open the doors of my car. Now, let me get into that. Okay, now when I got here and I did the vlog entry before I started walking, there was a pickup truck. It was either tan or white. I didn't pay no attention, guys. I'm colorblind. And it was parked on the other side of the parking lot. So I didn't really pay much attention. I noticed it. I thought it was another walker. So the only thing in my head at that time, which is normal, okay, I'm going to start walking. Where's this other walker at? Because eventually I'm going to either catch up to them or lap them. Unless it was that little old lady. And yeah, we all know she kicked my butt on walking. So that's why I looked over to see if they're on the other side. Instead, I see the pickup truck behind my car, a guy trying to get in my car. So the only thing I did was I yelled out as loud as I could. I was like, hey! That's the only thing that came to mind. I'll be honest with you though, it did take about a second for it to compute. So I looked over and I was like, huh, somebody at the car trying to get in. Then it kicked in. I was like, oh my God. So as soon as I hollered, hey, I dropped what was in my hands. Now when I walk with 2 things in my hands all the time. My little walking stick, and if you watch my videos for any length of time, this is what I hold in my left hand, and I squeeze it when I have anxiety. In my right hand, I have my lap counter. Okay, them 2 things I have in my hands at all times, and I got my earbuds, buds, whatever the hell you call them, in my ears jamming like you would not believe. Because you need some good tunes to do a good hard walk, just saying. So like an idiot, as soon as I hollered out, hey, I climbed that fence. I actually made it over the fence and I went to take off in a sprint and I almost tripped. And as all this was going on, I could see that truck just taking on out of here. Now, did I get a description of the person? Hell no. I couldn't tell if they were male or female. Could I really tell you what the truck looked like? I know it was a pickup truck. And I'm trying to think, was it an old one, new model? I don't know. I couldn't even tell you if it was white or tan. All I know is somebody was trying to get in my doors. And the only logical thing I could think of is they was going for this. Now we're going to show a picture of this in the front seat. What it would look like if you looked in the windows. I still got to take the picture though. But let's do it right about here. Right there, guys. That's what it would look like if you looked in the windows of my front seat this morning. you would have seen this GoPro. And yes, it is. I do have a yellow stick I hold on to. That's only when I do the vlogs. God, let me tell you something. It makes it a lot easier, this stick does. I still got to take the picture of that yet. And then I got to thinking, I was like, wait a minute, I did a vlog entry in the beginning. Maybe I got the dude's truck on there. Well, I went back and looked at this. As soon as I made my lap around to the car, it's not on there because I was actually facing this way and the dude's truck was right over yonder there. I will show you, but this guy over there walking his dog's like, what the hell you get my car on video for, boy? Okay, let me tell you more when we get back to the car. Now, when I got here, the guy's truck was right at the end of the parking lot, okay? I thought maybe it was a walker, runner. I didn't really pay much attention to it. You know, I'm here to walk, I'm here to exercise. I wasn't thinking about it. So I thought about doing a vlog entry of what the video is going to be about that day, which is anxiety. And let me run that clip now, okay? We're going to run the clip that I did when I first got here. And you'll see I was facing this way. If I was facing, sorry if I'm making you all dizzy, sorry. That way, I would have got him. Lately, I've been hearing how anxiety is all in your head. And with a simple thought, you can stop the anxiety like that. Guys, I feel so damn good. I could probably put another 4 or 5 miles in. I don't know if it's because I'm all hyped up and so what happened. I don't know. I feel damn good. My walk was on fire today. Oh my God, was it a good walk. But anyway, now I couldn't make a report to the cops. But what am I going to tell the cops? You know, I have no description of some truck. I couldn't even tell the color. Couldn't even make out the person was male or female. All I know is, here's what I seen, okay? Hold on, let me get a drink. I should cut that part out. All I seen was him here at my doors like this. Let me hold the camera down, can you see? Then I seen him go back like this. And it was right in this spot right here is when I hollered, hey! Now, here in a little bit, I'm going to get the picture of what it would look like if you would have looked in the windows of my front seat on the driver's side. Now, there's nothing else in the car that he could steal. I mean, even if he did get into the hatchback, the only thing he's going to have is my walking bag, and it has water. I don't have my camera bag with me because this is just a simple vlog today, and I have no money in the car. I mean, I took my quarters out the other day because I was going to wash the car, but I left them in the house because I didn't wash the car, and that was only, what, about $8 in quarters? There's nothing in this damn car to steal. But he would have seen this, and he would have been, oh yes, he would have tried to get this. So I imagine what happened was, I should go down there and talk to this guy and tell him when he's down here, make sure he locks his car doors. I should, but nah. He's got 2 dogs, and they may not like me coming approaching them. But anyway, what I figured happened was the guy seen me do a vlog entry, and from over there, he probably had eagle eyes and noticed that it was a nice camera, which is a GoPro, okay? There's better cameras than GoPros, but this is still, what, a $400 camera? Well, I paid over $400 for it last year. So, he seen me put it in the car and then commenced the walking. Me, I didn't see the guy in the truck. I didn't pay no attention. I'm doing a vlog entry, and before I did a vlog entry, I noticed it was here. I thought it was another walker. So my concern was, where the hell is he? Am I going to pass the dude? Am I going to lap him? And then when I looked over to see if he was walking on this side as I'm on that side, is when I seen somebody standing next to the car. And yes, even from over there, it was obvious. They was trying to get into the car. Now, my wife will tell you something different. Although Angie's not with me right now, she's at work. And she would, now Angie sees the things, she sees the glass as half full. She always does. And when I commence to tell her this story later on today, she's going to say, well, maybe he was just looking at the car, Michael. Maybe he was trying to see if he wants to get a little spark, or he was looking at it. Yeah, that is possible, but I ain't stupid. Come on. Come on. Dude was after my GoPro. I know what he was after. I could be wrong. I could be. So, guys, this is just a lesson, you know. I'm not going to leave the GoPro openly in the car no more. I just carry the damn thing with me. And sometimes I do. Sometimes I do, yes. You know. I just had to take it off its selfie stick here. But the lesson to be learned is, you can't trust nobody. I've been walking this park on and off for over 8 years. I got many miles in this park over the many 8 years, you know. I walk a lot of places, and never, ever once has somebody tried to get in my car. Not that I'm aware of. And it doesn't matter, guys. You can live in the most safest neighborhood where there is zero crime. You can leave your doors unlocked on your house. There's always going to be somebody going to try to take advantage of that. Today, I do believe they were after my GoPro. Then again, maybe they was just looking at little Sparky. But I think they was after the GoPro, and I shout out, hey! Then my clumsy butt climbs over the fence and take off to run. Yeah, I started off into a run, and I dang near tripped on that, and when I looked up, they was taking the hell out of here. It was just off. I'm laughing about it because my GoPro is in my hand right now. Smarticle, Mike? I got Smarticle. I actually locked the damn door. Sometimes I don't. From now on, I will. Alright, guys, until next time. Before I say let's get out of here, I am sorry you guys had to wait. Well, the video that you've seen before this, I'm going home right now. I'm going to edit that up, and I'm going to put it up right away. That means it ain't going to be up at 9 in the morning. I took a little bit of a break off YouTube because I had so much stuff to catch up on after doing that wacky week. Holy. I still haven't bought the lawnmower yet, but we're getting ready to in the next couple days. Because the lawnmower is in now, I can go purchase it. I just got to get my butt down there to buy it. I have the money, but I just got to go buy it. And the weekend's coming up, and I got some good videos coming out from that. We'll get to that when the weekend comes. So until next time, come on. Let's get out of here. Leave me comments. Has anybody ever stole anything out of your car? Because once upon a time, somebody did steal stuff out of a car, but that was way before YouTube. Way before I did YouTube. If you ever want to hear that story, I'd be more than glad to make a video of it. I probably already have. Hell if I know. Until next time, we'll see you this weekend.